Kicking can be broken down into three steps. The first step would be approach, and followed by contact, and the last one would be follow through. All of these steps include different muscles of the body, and with every muscle in the body and every step, we're also going to have different movements of the body as well. The major bones in this process of kicking includes the femur, the hip, and the tibia. So going back to the first step, which is approach, the hips start off this process by going through flexion and extension of the knee. Once you reach the ball, then you plant your foot into the ground to create a good stable base. The bones for that would be your tarsals, your metatarsals, and your phalanges. So once you create this stable base, the dominant leg cocks back by the help of the gluteus maximus and your hamstrings. This is also known as your hip extensors. Once you're cocked your dominant leg back, you're ready to kick. The hip flexors take over to create a powerful kick. So the hamstrings cock back, and the opposite of that would be your quads. And your quads are what extends the knee to the contact of the kicking the soccer ball. Knee extensions is the most important part of kicking. This is possible because of the quad, which is broken into three muscle groups. You have your vastus medialis, your vastus lateralis, and your rectus femoris, which all three of these are inserted at the top of the tibia. After you make contact with the ball, the hip flexors continue to follow through the ball, allowing a nice trajectory of the ball. Once they reach the max, the hip extensors work opposite of this and take over to bring the leg back to the base.